Hey, Brent. My name is Brent. I'm the owner of Cracks and Chips Windshield Repair here in Salt Lake. We're family owned and operated, and we come directly to you to repair your windshield. Today's video is going to be about a crack repair we did on a Tesla Model Y. In this video, we demonstrate how to fix a crack in a car. At the end of this video, we will describe and explain exactly what we did and how we fixed the crack in the Tesla Model Y.
Cracks and chips, we make it simple, we make it affordable, we make it convenient. We come wherever you are within our service area. For rock, chip, or cracked windshield repair, we fill it, we fix it, get you back. No more crack, book online or call 385-2199.
So how we fixed this Tesla is we drilled in front of the crack, created a stop, and then filled it with resin, which bonds the crack back together so it will not grow on. If you have any questions about crack repair, give us a call. My name's Brent, and I'm happy to help. Thank you, and have a great day.